name is Mingxing. I already joined Lesaffre China for 10 years, and I'm the Factory 4.0 coordinator in China region. In my opinion, digital manufacturing in Lesaffre is not only a new software, a new platform, a history install. It is more like a mind changing and the management strategy transform, and also the new skills for the people in different level in Lesaffre. My position is Factory 4.0 coordinator at China region. So generally speaking, it's leverage of the resource in different sites to execute the Industrial 4.0 project within the leadership of the Lesaffre group, and to support the site to compile the standard of group. I think it's a culture of Lesaffre, because the first thing I think is open, and then is respect. From my self experience, I joined Lesaffre as a trainee. I have different change of the positions, like I work as a process, work as a production manager, and also work for the project management. And then I accepted the new challenge for Industrial 4.0. Yeah, I think this is for me why I work through 10 years already from I graduated from school. Here,